Today I would like to review for you the mDesign plastic stackable eyeglass case storage organizer. It has a hinged lid that lifts. It's for unisex sunglasses, reading glasses, fashion eyewear. You can put anything in there. It has each compartment has a place for 5 different pairs of glasses. You see right here, we have the middle one is actually open, and we use it in our home for all the many sunglasses and reading glasses that we have. When I was looking around my house and realized that I had glasses everywhere, in every little nook and cranny, everywhere you turned, there was another pair of reading glasses, or someone's sunglasses were somewhere, I decided to pick up this organizer, and I picked up the one that had 3 different sections, and they're stackable, but they are removable, so you don't have to. You see, there's just 2. If I wanted to move them from room to room, they are stackable, but they are detachable so that you could move them and have them in different rooms if you wanted to. So with the 3-pack that we got, I can actually store 15 pair of glasses in this case right here. It has been wonderful for our organization in our home. If you deal with a lot of glasses around your house, put this in your cart today.